welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Pavithra Iyer and today I'll be showing you guys this makeup look right here which has pop of color on my eyes and lips as well, and I have given two lip options for you guys. This is appropriate for this festive season, so if you're interested in knowing about this makeup look and how I create it, then continue watching. But before that, if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll get notified whenever I upload videos. And now let's get started into the video. I'm starting my makeup with this Good Vibes Argan facial oil with gold leaves. I massaged this nicely into my skin so that it keeps my skin hydrated and moisturized, and it will be ready for my base. Then I did apply this same facial oil on my lips as well. So right now it may be looking yellow, but once I apply my base and everything, it will set. For my base, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Matte Magique foundation. I'm going to be spreading my foundation like this, and then I'll be using my beauty blender to blend the foundation. I'm going to be using this Blue Heaven beauty blender to blend the foundation. Whatever is left, I'm gonna be applying it on my neck. Next up, I'm using this Maybelline Fashion Bro in grey to fill in my eyebrows. I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11. I'm applying this on my eyelids and cleaning my eyebrows, and I'll be applying this on my dark circles and blemishes as well. Concealer, I'm using this L'Oreal Matte Magique Compact in the shade G2. I'm going to be keeping my eye makeup and eyelids very simple, so for that I'm using this highlighter all over my eyelids. I'm just going to be brushing it with this fluffy blending brush. With my fingers just to intensify the color and make it pop even more, and then making sure it's all blended. Next up, I'm using this ELENBLU crayon gel liner to line my eyes. This is in the shade Regal Blue. I'm not being very precise with the liner because on top I'll be using liquid liner. I want my liner to be thick, so I'm gonna be doing thick wing liner. I'm using this Stay Quirky liquid eyeliner. This is in the shade Badass Blue. I'm done matching my liners. I'm gonna be curling my lashes and using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara for my upper and bottom lashes. Mascara for my lower lashes, I'll finish off with this concealer. And then I'm going to be setting my base with this same compact which I used earlier. Using this Makeup Revolution Iconic palette, and I'm gonna be bronzing up with this shade and then using this blush. Next up, I'm using same highlighter to highlight my highest points, and then I'll be highlighting my inner corner as well. Off my look, I thought I'll show two lip options for you guys. So first one I have is this bright pink color, and second one I have is this nude color. You can switch with colors and your eyeliner as well. Using this Kiss Beauty setting spray to set my makeup. this video. I really hope this video was helpful, and do let me know in the comment section which lip color you liked it with this blue eyeliner. I really loved this combo because it's already giving me that festive vibe, and I really love pop of colors. So yeah, with that being said, I'll finish this video and I'll see you all in my next video super soon. Bye. Before ending this video, quick reminder about this Meesho app. Don't forget to download the Meesho app for free. You just have to download and start reselling the products because they already have products. You just have to resell for your friends, family or anybody you want to, and then you can start earning at home. So this is the India's #1 reselling app, which is called as Meesho, and I provide all the required details of this Meesho app in the description box. You can check it out and download the app and start reselling it. Please don't miss this great opportunity.